Namaste. Welcome to another video. In this video, we'll discuss about a very interesting topic. See, everybody talks about God, but do you know what is a God principle? In my view, God is one. God has no religion. The humans have created various religions and various communities among themselves and have been divided. But if you closely study all the religions, they talk about love and brotherhood. Jesus says God is love. Prophet Muhammad, he also teaches love over hate. The Hindus, they also say a Hindu should think about the welfare of the whole world. Buddha, if you study Buddha and his teachings, he also teaches hatred cannot be conquered by hatred. Hatred can be conquered through love. So if all the religions are talking about love, unity and brotherhood, then why humans are fighting among themselves in the name of religion? It is a very matter of concern. So next time you feel bad about any other community, any other religion, think about this, that we are all one. We are all connected with each other. You listen to me with so much patience. Thanks a lot for that. If you like this thought, you can share with your friends and share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to our channel. Namaste.